going to be showing you how to use video effects on MacBook. So here are easy ways to use video effects on a Mac, depending on which app you'll be using. So the simplest option you have is using a photo booth. You can also try using FaceTime, but that is mostly for when you're on a call. So we'll just focus on photo booth. So just look down at the docs and you can find photo booth right here. If you don't have it there, just go to your launchpad and search for photo booth. It's right there. All you need to do is just open it. And now it has loaded. So after you're here, you have all these options right there. And now you can see at the bottom right, you have this option right here that says effects. Just go ahead and tap here. Now you have all these options like space alien, nose twirl, chipmunk, love struck, normal, dizzy, blockhead, and many more. You also have the thermal camera, x-ray, plastic camera. So these are filters, and now you have other funny effects as well. So there you go. So that's how you use video effects in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.